What's up, y'all? Yes,
We're back,
we
we're
are
back.
with another tree topper.
So what you got? What you got?
So in this kit, you're getting a total of 2, 4, 6, 7 stems. So I want to make sure that I fluff out all of my stems. So then just spreading these out a little bit, fluffing them up. And y'all know, so this is what the ball stem looks like after I've already fluffed it. That's what it looks like before. So I always want to make sure that I'm manipulating all of those picks that are on there so it looks more full. Okay. So we're going to start off with our candy cane, and y'all, it's literally just a layering process with your picks and stems. So I'm going to start off with the lime green, layering that right on top of the trying to hold at the same time.
Hey everyone.
So next I'm going to bring in those ball sprays, and I'm just layering them again right on top of those green sprays. Bending those, and then I'm coming off to the back with those red sprays. Okay. So look how full that looks. Yeah, I really tried to take all the guesswork out of choosing a tree topper for y'all. And all I do is get a zip tie, and I zip tie all of those stems together. So then we're gonna add our ribbon, and I want another 6 loops, but I want only 3 of this red and white and 3 of this green ribbon. Okay, so just making a tail. And the reason why you're getting the full rolls of the ribbon is so all the extra ribbon you have can be intertwined into your tree.
Yeah, so like flowing down,
Right.
little big loops, or even just cutting it off, like just pieces of it and sticking it in
Right.
all the way. Love it.
So I'm making a tail, pinching it, making my loop, pinch, and then twist. Making another loop, pinch, and twist, and making another loop, pinch, and twist. Making another tail, bringing that right back behind that red and white.
This particular one sold out between last night and today already, but I believe there's 1 or 2 more that are different that are listed.
That loop, making one more loop, pinch, and twist.
I love those 2 together.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
I think Damon's the one that chose the red and white swirl one.
Mm-hmm. They're really cool.
So we've incorporated our red and lime green and our red and white all together, and you'll see how I've left the tails long so you can put them into your Christmas tree. So I'm just getting a pipe cleaner, wire, or even if you want to use a zip tie, you can. Where's the middle of this? And just running that pipe cleaner through the middle. So I'm just gonna dovetail these ribbons and we will be done, y'all. is our tree topper.
So cute. So cute and so easy.